Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Taurus, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking few cards. So these cards are for your general energies, Taurus. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, Taurus. If you like this reading, if it resonates, Taurus, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So if you want more clarity in your circumstances today, you can watch that reading that may give you more clarity. So let's start with these cards for your general energies. We have 8 of air, 9 of air, and 7 of air. So, in your circumstances today, you are trying to do things your way, you are not listening to others, you are not listening to their ideas or suggestions, maybe in your work, and you want to do things your way because you feel that you are the only one who is right, and you are not listening to people who are close to you. Maybe in your work, you may have people who are having a lot of experience and who may be here to help you, guide you, but you are not listening to them today, Taurus. And even in this relationship, you are, what to say, making decisions thinking from your point of view. Maybe today you are not willing to listen to this person, or you are not willing to change yourself, and you are someone who thinks that you are doing things the right way, and maybe this person feels really sad and they feel that you do not trust them enough. That may be the reason you are deciding for yourself, and that is worrying this person, and you may see the way you are having a negative impact on this person, negative impact on this relationship. So maybe that may push you towards thinking you want to change yourself, maybe, and you may realize that things are going wrong, things are not going in the right way because you are too controlling or dominating. So, this may be your energy towards this relationship, or it may be your person's energy towards this relationship. Maybe they are dominating you, or you are dominating them, and they are doing it without knowledge. They are not doing it on purpose. They are thinking that they are trying to do things in a good way. So that may be the reason they are like this. But once they realize that it is having a negative impact on you, on this relationship, they may want to change. And change comes from changing their attitude. Maybe they are doing this because they believe that they are the ones with knowledge, and they are the ones with a very good understanding. So they are changing the way they are today, giving up all those negative thoughts and trying to embrace your ideas and vision. They are trying to change for the better, and they are doing it for you, trying to change themselves for you, Taurus. So, if you are in this situation, you may have a beautiful positive change in this relationship, maybe with all that misunderstanding, and maybe with you being hurt by their behavior or their words. This person is trying to be more harmonious and balanced in this relationship. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. It's three of water. So, with this card, there is a celebration coming in this connection. Maybe things are resolving and you are working as a team. This person has understood their mistake and they want to have this meaningful connection with you and they want to change. That is what I see, guys, and they are changing for the better, and maybe very soon you are moving towards a deep connection, the next step in this relationship. So for your career circumstances, we have 7 of fire. So you are getting a lot of opportunities in your work circumstances and you are trying to do the best, determined, strong. You are what to say, patient, and you know what will work, and you are breaking all those obstacles and moving forward with that dedicated efforts. So that is the energy here, and you're going to see success, great success in your career circumstance, Taurus. So that is the reading with these cards. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading, if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Taurus. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. We will keep this card aside. We will see what is this card. We have Goldilocks, entitlement. So with this card, it just means that you are immature in your circumstance, or maybe someone is really immature. And this person is not aware of what to do or how to be in a connection, or how to be um, a person who respects others. And the bears in these cards, they represent respect and something that you must learn to do if you want to grow yourself, if you want to change yourself from an immature person to someone mature, someone who is making wise choices. So maybe you are dealing with an immature person, or it may be your energy. Maybe you are quite immature. You don't know how to be, how to handle yourself, and maybe there is someone invading your personal space. It may be your energy or someone's energy towards you, and you do not like it, and you need space. Even though if you are in a very good relationship, a positive relationship, still we need that space, still we need that other person to respect us, to respect our uniqueness, to respect our time, and that alone time. Maybe no one should invade that. When they do that, they are pushing this relationship to into some kind of difficult circumstance. So people may not like us using their personal space, or using their things, or using them, you should not take anything for granted. So that is the energy with this card, guys. And maybe there is someone like that in your circumstance. You are feeling really worried, or you simply do not like to be with this person. But if this is your energy, you need to change yourself, learn from the mistakes you did, and change yourself. So, that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is a reading for you all today. So, let's see what is the second card. We will keep this card aside. So, for those who chose this second card, we have Rhodonite. So this crystal spirit, it stands for harmony and connection with people. So in our life, in our day-to-day life, we meet so many people, and we are here to learn from others and also teach others whatever we know. So this crystal spirit stands for that harmonious, meaningful connection, and we are in this life together, and maybe in our partnership, maybe in our work, or even in this relationship, when we exchange our gifts, we are going to do things in a better way. Exchange our gifts in the sense, our gifts of talents. Maybe we will know something better than the other person, and when we give that guidance, maybe someone will make use of it. And even in this relationship, this may be the time for you to connect deeply with this person, give and receive. So teach them what you know, and when they reciprocate that, when they teach you what they know, when they help you with their talents and skills, you are going to benefit today, benefit in this relationship for having that positive connection with you. So that is the energy with this card, guys. And you are, um, what to say, you are moving towards a healthy, balanced relationship when you do that, when you share your knowledge, and when you go out of the way connecting with people, helping them out. So that is the energy with this card, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.